She said if I'd ever deceived her, she'd be gone before I could count 10. I guess that I didn't believe her, for look at the trouble I'm in. She's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster that train keeps rolling down the track. Every right to be happy. When I lost to heaven I found. She said she'd be gone and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. She's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster that train keeps rolling down the track. I wish that I knew where to find her. I'd crawl back on my hands and knees. Each tick of the clock is a reminder that she's 1 second further from me. She's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster that train keeps rolling down the track. Keep rolling down the track. I taught the weeping willow how to cry, and I showed the clouds how to cover up a clear blue sky. But the tears that cry for that woman are gonna flood you big river, and I'm gonna sit right here until I die. I met her accidentally in St. Paul, Minnesota. Taught me up every time I heard her draw, southern draw. I heard my dream went back downstream aboard and Davenport. I followed you, big river, when you called. Then you took me to St. Louis, later on down the river. Freda said she'd been here, but she's gone, boy, she's gone. I followed the trail in Memphis, West Judd walked off the bluff. She raised a few eyebrows and then she went on down alone. Won't you batter me down to Baton Rouge, River Queen, rolling on. Take that woman on down to New Orleans, New Orleans. Go on, I had enough, dumped my blues down at the Gulf. She loves you, big river, more than me. Well, I taught the weeping willow how to cry, cry, cry. I showed the clouds how to cover on a clear blue sky. The tears that cry for that woman are gonna flood you, big river, and I'm gonna sit right here until I die. Tack Walter. Dag wel, volgende nummer hier dus Wayfaring Stranger. I'm just a poor wavering stranger traveling through this world alone, but there's no sickness, no toil nor danger in that great land. I'm going there to see my father and all the loved ones that have passed on. Oh, I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going I know that dark clouds will gather around me. I know my way is small and steep, but beauteous feels her eyes before me when God redeemed his virgin king. I'm going there to see my mother. She said she'd meet me when I come. Oh, I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going